Do you want to change your financial future? Imagine earning wealth quickly and efficiently. This video reveals the best strategies to build wealth in just 72 hours. But hold on. Take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. First, identify what you're passionate about. Find a skill or talent that excites you. Next, research income opportunities related to that passion. Look for freelance gigs or services to offer. Create a solid plan. Outline your goals for the next 72 hours. Start promoting your skills. Use social media and local networks. Engage potential clients. Offer special deals to attract initial business. Once you land a client, deliver value. Exceed their expectations to build a positive reputation. Track your progress. Adjust your strategies based on what works best. Let's take an example. Suppose you're great at graphic design. You can offer to design logos for startups. Promote your services online. In just hours, you could land multiple clients. Remember, passion fuels success. Combine it with hard work for impressive results. In summary, identify your passion, create a plan, and promote yourself. Take action now. Start your journey to wealth today. As you embark on this journey, remember that perseverance is key. Every successful entrepreneur faced challenges, but they transformed obstacles into opportunities. In the realm of financial growth, timing and readiness significantly influence your outcomes. To make the most of your 72 hours, stay focused and be adaptable. Embrace feedback from clients, it serves as valuable insight. Learn from each experience and refine your approach for better efficiency and effectiveness. After all, every step you take towards mastering your craft accelerates your financial freedom. It's essential to foster relationships as you build your business. The connections you create can provide support and lead to new opportunities. Networking events or online forums related to your passion are excellent resources to gain exposure. Be open to collaboration, as partnerships can amplify your reach and enhance your service offerings. When potential clients see your commitment and authenticity, they'll be more inclined to engage with you. As your reputation grows, so will your opportunities. Client referrals can significantly boost your income stream. Always be ready to showcase your best work and let your passion shine through every project you undertake. Remember to set realistic expectations. Every endeavor takes time, and while you aim to achieve wealth rapidly, stay grounded in your ambition. Celebrate small victories along the way, for they build your confidence and propel you forward. Maintaining a positive mindset will attract even more success as you navigate this transformative journey. By taking these steps and remaining dedicated to your goals, you'll discover that financial success is within reach. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm, and let your passion guide each decision you make. Your potential is limitless, now is the time to unlock it. Rocket ready to transform your financial future in just 72 hours? Start today. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to enable us bring you more financial advice you can leverage on.